to RIA'S World of Ideas. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul, and it's not too many things. Like I told you guys in my other videos, this year I am putting myself on a budget for Dollar Tree weekly, which I'll only spend no more than $10 at Dollar Tree when it comes to DIY, craft, supplies, and decor ideas. I'm not going to spend no more than $10 on it. Now there is other things that I get at Dollar Tree that has to do with the household, like food and health and beauty, and those things actually go into my grocery budget a week, so I don't count that as my $10. But I did find some things that I wanted to share with you guys that I like that were repeat purchases, but also some new things to Dollar Tree and some things that I'm going to be using in the upcoming DIYs that I want you guys to stay tuned for. Now I have been putting out some new DIYs this week, and the last two you guys have really been loving. You guys have loved my spring DIY decor video, and you guys have also been liking my wood galvanized letter home sign. You guys have really took a liking to that, so I'm so happy that you are liking the DIYs that I'm bringing to you guys. I do have more to come, and actually I'm in my craft room / office, and there's like a project over there, a project over there. I have projects all over, and it's just about finding the time to edit the video so I can share it with you guys. You guys do know that I work full time, so when I say that I want to bring stuff to you guys, I really do. It's just finding the time to edit, because editing can take so long. But I do have some more DIYs coming up for you and some organizational projects that you guys love. But I'm really happy that you guys are enjoying the ones that I've already been putting out. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video so you can join my YouTube family. It really does help on my channel when you guys subscribe to me, because then I'm able to create more videos for you guys, bring more videos to you guys, and be able to get the things for the video. So I really appreciate it if you guys hit that subscriber button and join my YouTube family. And also when you hit that, don't forget to hit the notification bell, because sometimes you won't get notified just by being a subscriber. You know, you guys heard it with other people. So hit that bell so you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And like I said, I'm bringing out new ones. And yeah, let's just jump right into the video. So let me start off with one Easter thing that I got. We are in Easter time, and I have shared with you guys a bunch of things that I have purchased before. I really don't decorate for Easter that much, but I did share with you guys a video last year of some DIYs that I made with Dollar Tree, and I'll put the link down below of some Dollar Tree DIYs for Easter that I made. But I have been purchasing some things from Dollar Tree, Easter things, but they're not going to be for Easter decor. It's going to be for upcoming DIYs. Now this sign, I've seen so many people haul it, and it's just a beautiful sign on its own, and I've passed it up a bunch of times. But I decided to take it this time because I do have a DIY in mind for you guys that's a decor piece that can be used all year round. So I gave in and I purchased it. So I love this. If you like to decorate for Easter, I feel like this is such a great sign on its own, but you can do so many DIYs with this. And I've seen a lot of people detach the bunny from this actual board, and that's what I'm going to do with it. So if you want to ever use the bunny for something else and just use the board itself, this is perfect for a DIY. So that is like the only Easter thing I picked up this trip. Some craft items that I picked up that were, I don't know if they're new to Dollar Tree, but I just picked them up now because I needed them for a DIY, is these wood letters. It's a bag of wood letters for $1, which I think is so great, because they do have these wood letters at Walmart, and I believe they're like $2.97 for this same amount of letters, same amount of wood letters in a bag at Walmart for $2.96, and you can get them for $1. They also have the numbers. I didn't need the numbers, but I did purchase 2 packs of these because they will be in an upcoming DIY. Another thing I purchased for DIY projects is the Jenga pieces. You guys have seen so many videos that I've done where I've created beautiful farmhouse style, glam style, any type of decor style with these Jenga pieces. I love them. You could do so many things with them, and so I love when they have them. I pick them up, especially when they have the one that's like all the colors are like the unfinished wood, because I have purchased the one where it had like the dark color, and it was half dark color, half unfinished wood, because it was the only ones left. And I find that the ones that are already painted are hard to put paint on them, and they're hard to stick together. I did a couple projects during Christmas time with these Jenga pieces, and then the color one I did a DIY with the color pieces that I didn't share with you guys because it was kind of like a late Christmas DIY, and I'm going to share with you guys next year. But I used the colored pieces, the one that was actually painted already, and the wood glue did not hold them as well as it did with the unfinished wood. So I'd rather get the unfinished wood one for the projects, because the wood glue works better with them, and also when you're painting on them, the paint adheres to these better, as opposed to trying to cover up the dark color that the other one had. So if you ever want to create projects, definitely get the ones that are all the unfinished wood because it makes it so much easier for your DIY projects. And I picked up 4 of these for upcoming DIY projects, so stay tuned for those. Sticking with the DIY themes, I actually picked up some stencils this time around. And usually I don't pick up stencils, but I feel like if you're a DIYer and you're a crafter, especially if you do Dollar Tree DIYs and you're always doing DIYs that have to do with the seasons or the holidays, you definitely need to take advantage of these stencils because you can basically create your own sayings and do your own things on all types of finishes and all types of projects with these stencils. So I definitely had to pick up one of each. Actually, there was one that I didn't pick up because it was basically, it had a bunch of just different sayings on it, and there was only one saying that I liked on it, so I decided I could make that with the words, with the letter ones I have, so I didn't get that. But let me show you what I got. So it's these self-adhesive stencils, and I got this one that has basically like this cursive writing, letters and numbers as well. They only had the lowercase. I looked and looked and looked to see if maybe they had an uppercase version of this because I didn't want to miss out, like I didn't want to like not miss out. I didn't want to like overlook and not get one. But I was looking at all of it, all the stacks that they had, and I didn't see an uppercase one. So you guys let me know down below if in your Dollar Tree, have you seen an uppercase version of this stencil? Let me know so that I know to look for it. But in my Dollar Tree, all I saw was the lowercase version of this one. And it's just one sheet, but I feel like you can do so many DIYs with this, especially when you're doing decor pieces. Like I said, for the different holidays or for your home, so many great things. Another one that I got there was the alphabet as well. And this just had just the alphabet, the uppercase and lowercase, and it was this type of style. It's kind of like a square. It has like the square outlining, but basically it's just the inside that you can kind of dab. You can use the squares, I guess, if you wanted to, but the actual, when you use it for painting, you're just going to be using, it just has the cutouts of the letters. That's what will show up. But I like this one because it had the uppercase and the lowercase, so if I choose to use this font, I'll be able to do both. As opposed to this one, you can only, if you want to use this font, which is kind of bigger, you can only use it as lowercase, which some things that you DIY kind of look cute with all lowercase, but there's some things that I kind of want the first letter to be, you know, uppercase. And then they also had, like I said, different designs. I didn't pick one of them, but this one I definitely got because I feel like you can use this pattern in so many different DIYs, whether it's glam decor, whether it's farmhouse decor, whether it's any type of decor. Whenever you're doing some type of decor piece or project, I think that these 3 patterns would work great to do anything. You could do so many projects with this one. And then the last one I got was different kinds of leaves. It was like 5 different patterns of leaves. Again, you could do so many DIY projects with this one. So definitely when I went to my store, they had a whole like stack of them, so they must have just put them out. So definitely if you see these at Dollar Tree, if you're a DIY or a crafter, pick these up because you will definitely want them for your next upcoming project. You would definitely want to use these for your next upcoming projects on multiple projects. So when I was in the toy section to look for the Jenga pieces for my craft projects, I saw the Dollar Tree had 2 family board games, 2 new family board games that I hadn't seen before. And this one is Celebrity Guessing Game, and it comes with 57 cards and 1 instructional sheet. And then this one is Acted Out Charades, and it also comes with 57 cards as well. I love getting Dollar Tree's version of the board games that you find at Walmart and Target because most of the time they have the same amount of cards, or just maybe like the board games at Dollar Tree, the board games at Walmart, Target maybe have double of what comes in here, but they cost like $14.99 to $19.99. When you can get a Dollar Tree version that costs you $1 that you could play with your family at home, and it's just as great or even better than the ones at Walmart and Target. Last summer I did haul to you guys where I picked up the Say It Don't Spray game. That's basically Dollar Tree's version of Speak Out, which I've bought before, and Head Cases, which is the Dollar Tree version of, I think, headbands. Both these I play with my family, and they both carry the same amount, like they both have the same type of quality as the ones that you find, the board games that you find at Walmart and Target. And they carry about almost about the same amount of pieces. If you were to buy, like this one, you would have to buy like 5 of these bags to equal out the mouthpieces that they have, but it's still $5. And I think I'm going to do, actually I know I'm going to do, in my next couple of videos, I'm going to do a review on these, and actually on these board games that I've been finding, these family board games that I've been finding at Dollar Tree. I'm going to do a review video on them and kind of compare them to the ones that you can buy at Walmart and Target. But me, I've already played these games with my family, and I love the quality of them, and we've been able to play the games multiple times with the ones that we just bought at Dollar Tree, and it was way less. So stay tuned to that video where I'm going to share with you guys the board games that they have at Dollar Tree compared to the ones at Walmart and Target, and I'll let you guys kind of know like what comes in the board games that you buy at those at Walmart and Target and what you get in the ones at Dollar Tree, and kind of, yeah, a review and compare. Another thing I purchased was a repeat buy, and it was the Bolero facial wipes, but this time I got the coconut oil and sea salt, and I also got the French lavender and citrus. I love these Bolero face wipes because, I mean, for one, they're $1, and they're actually more moisturizing than the Equate brands ones I used to get, or even the name brand ones I used to get at the store. I love these. I can use one all over my face, and it still has enough moisture on it to be used again. Like, I don't reuse them again once I wipe my face, but they completely take off everything, all the makeup off my face when I wear the makeup that I wear throughout the day, and it leaves my face so moisturized. It does not dry out my face. So I love these facial wipes. Anytime they bring out the Bolero facial wipes, I always pick them up and I always stock up on them, because to me they are way better than the name brand ones I've gotten, the Equate brand at Walmart I got, and they're way less. So I love getting these. I've never purchased the other Bolero products, only their bath salts, their bath bombs, which I like them as well, and so does my girls. But the other stuff I really don't get into. I don't get into like the oil or the hand soap, because I like using my Grove Collaborative hand soap. But the facial wipes, every time I see them, I stock up on them because I love them, and I don't ever want to be out with them, run out of them, and then they don't have them in stock in the store. So if you want to find a good facial wipe that's cheap but it's great for your face, try those Bolero facial wipes. I love them. So another thing I got for DIYs, and it's nothing special, is just these aluminum cookie sheets that you can get 2 in a pack. So just stay tuned for that. I'm going to be doing a DIY that has to do with these cookie sheets. And then I did check out the sayings that they have at Dollar Tree. Every time I go to Dollar Tree, I always try to look for new ones. And I loved the saying in this one. It said, "Women are angels. When someone breaks our wings, we continue to fly." So I love this saying. I'm definitely going to DIY, put it in either a picture frame or a piece of wood, something. I'm going to make it look beautiful, and then I'm going to hang it somewhere here on my wall. I decided I wanted to make a kind of like an inspirational wall in my craft room / office. So whenever I don't feel inspired or wherever I get down on myself, I can look at my wall for inspiration and encouragement. So I think that's what I'm going to do whenever I have time over spring break or summer. I'm going to take time and take this wall and turn it, basically do like a I forgot what they call, like when you put a bunch of wall arts and different things on a wall. I forgot what it's called, but that's what I'm going to do for this wall. And this is one of the inspirational quotes that I'm definitely going to put on there because I love the message behind it. The one thing that I did get in the decor section were these cute little, they're called trinket pots. And I know I have so many like different trinket things, but when I saw these, I loved them because I felt like these would look so cute for the succulents that I get. Like, okay, so they have this one. They come in, well, first let me tell you. They came in 2 colors. They came in the white, and then they came in this blue, but it wasn't like a light blue. It was kind of like a purplish, kind of dark. I don't know, it's a weird blue. They wasn't with my color scheme, so I didn't get it. But I got video so you guys can see it. But I definitely love the white, and then I picked up 2 of them, but I noticed that once I picked them up, they have different patterns on them. This one kind of has like the bee hexagon pattern on it, and this one kind of has like, I don't know, the little pattern of like the cross sign on it or something, like, I don't know, but they both have different patterns on them. But what I loved about them was that whenever I bought these succulents, like these succulents from last year, I didn't like this container that it came in, so I figured that these would be beautiful to add the succulents to and kind of make them more pretty for spring and summer holiday. So stay tuned. You're going to see in when I share my house with you guys to share with you guys how I decorate for spring and summer. I'm going to have this in it, but I feel like this looks better than this. I feel like these little plastic containers just look Dollar Tree-ish, and I just felt like taking the actual succulents out of here and putting them in these beautiful little trinket pots makes it look a little bit more glamorous and a little bit more stylish for your home. So I picked up 2 of these, so check these out. I don't know if they have any other colors, but all I saw was the white and the blue. So that is it for my Dollar Tree haul this week, guys. I know I kind of rushed through it. It's just because I have so many different projects that I want to get to, and I'm looking at them as I'm doing this video, and so I wanted to hurry up and show you guys what I purchased so that I can hurry up and use them and make my craft projects, because today is Sunday and the weekends are basically the only time I ever have to do projects because I'm so busy throughout the week with, you know, my work and my kids. And so today is kind of one of those days that I prep for the week, but it's also my day to craft, so that's why I was kind of like rushing through the video. So I apologize if I was talking too fast for you guys, or I stumble on my words, it's just because I really want to get to these projects. Let me know in the comments down below if you want any specific projects that you want to see on my channel, whether it has to do with farmhouse or glam or any type of thing that you would like to see. Give me ideas to recreate them for you guys. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this. And if you didn't enjoy this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs down button, and you know, if that's how you feel. But let me know why you didn't. I've always loved constructive criticism, and I've been telling you guys that in my last couple of videos. I want to know what you guys want to see. I want to know what you guys like and what you don't like, so that I can, you know, change it up or do something different for my next video. So let me know down in the comments below if you like this video, and let me know if you do hit that thumbs down button. Let me know what you didn't like so that I can work on that. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.